Welcome to Racing Gas. Today I take my Genesis Coupe out into a blizzard.
And probably it's a bad idea, but it'll be really fun. Bad boy, dude.
We got all seasons on the rear and straight up summer tires on the front. I'm fully prepared to get stuck
Oh God.
Are you dying?
or get a disorderly conduct.
No, I'm good. I'm ripping.
This may be some of the best driving I've seen Jordan do ever.
I'm full lock right now. Oh my God.
So do you need to buy a winter vehicle, or can you get away with driving your rear-wheel drive sports car in the snow?
Let's give it a shot, shall we?